which
Yeah.
is
Something.
them
Bluetooth.
drinking.
Waiting
Yeah.
for connection.
I mean, not
Bluetooth
eating and
is
drinking
connected.
everything, but
When the second crescent of the moon enters the third phase of Orion. When is that? Tuesday. First the accursed legionnaires at Fords was enough, and then the infidels at Sidi Belabis. It has been ordained by the prophet Mustafa. If not, they will come up one by one. One by one? I suppose he means our ears. That's my boy. Always thinking of the higher things.
After 200 yards,
If you could
turn
just have a word
right.
and talk this over sensibly with this Mustafa Ali. Mustafa Ali! I don't know. Must be number one on the hit parade.
Should wait in 100 yards.
Turn right.
yeah, you've got to follow the road there. But, yeah.
There's a road up there.
After 200 yards, turn right.
Quick, in there! Whenever he feels like a game, he sends someone. He don't travel. He just plays on his own ground. You mean that all the while we're in here, then we're safe? That's right. I'm afraid we're stuck in here. What a pity. And now, girls, how about some of that Turkish delight?
Now, don't frighten them like that, Sergeant. Now, I do apologize for the intrusion, ladies, but I can assure you that we will do you no harm.
Yeah, I'm making promises I can't keep.
What's all that noise? Trying to sleep. I'm having such a fluffy dream. Fabulous men all travelling alone.
Jane?
That you, Abdul?
No, it's me, Bo.
Bo to you too?
Jane, what's the matter with you? No, it's me, Bo West.
What, Bo? Oh, fancy seeing you here. Oh, kiss me, Bo.
Jane, please.
You men in there, hearken to me! Quiet, let's hearken. So what do I do?
Well, I've been thinking. We'll go out, you creep under the flat and make a run for it.
Yeah, well, how do I do that?
Well, grab a horse and stampede the rest.
Sire! I salute you.
It's rather pretty.
Bye-bye now.
Jesus! There are only two. Where is the other infernal? Look at me. Stop! Let him go. What? Not your old boy, I think you pulled it off. You'll be a real hero now, that's it. Real, hold there. Oh, good boy, Knocker. You've done it. I'll write books about you. Knocker of the Foreign Legion. That's what they're calling you. I like that sound. Knocker of the Foreign Legion. Jolly good. Did you ever have one of those days when nothing seemed to go right? It's going to be attacked. And how may I ask you to inquire any information? We're taken prisoners by them. After a stiff fight, of course. Oh, yes.
About second exit. After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout, first exit.
Colchester, you don't think? Oh, I don't like this. Looks like they got a bone to pick with someone. Nein, get my Liebchen jail.
Go left on the roundabout, first exit.
I don't care about them. Where's my Liebchen? Oh, alas, poor Jane. I knew her well. Oh, come on, son. That's a skull of a man. How can you tell? By the jawbone. A woman's gets more worn down, you know, from the constant yapping. Say, where is she? What's happened to her? Father. What? It's me, Bo. Knocker.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit.
Yes, miss. What is it?
Turn me over. I want to do my best.
Ah, she might be being murdered.
Go right on the roundabout, third exit.
I'm sorry, he's delirious, sap out of his mind. Boy, where is she? Where's Lady Jane?
Took her with them. Lane Portsmouth.
Ah, then we are not yet too late. Look after it, Sergeant. Okay, sir. Oh, yeah. Take it easy, boys. We'll be all right. We leave at once for Portsmouth on there. Fall in.
After 200 yards, cross the roundabout, first exit. Cross the roundabout, first exit.
Straight across.
Just been the first step. It's the second exit.
Yeah. Can't count today.
Now you see why I let the sergeant go. He will lead them straight into my trap.
After 200 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit. Then, at the end of the road, turn right.
Without water, there will be wicked there.
Straight across this one. Turn right at this one.
I did not say halt! March, you swine! March! Stop it! Stop it! It's only a game!
Just tactics for ahead.
I think the job is being done for us.
Just turn right.
We do not need to attack these fools. Pass the word. We march on Fort Soissonneuve immediately.
There's probably more than one route in.
The prophet has truly said, the behavior of the white infidels
Turn right,
is like
then
blood
turn
coming
left.
from a stone. Bleeding mystery.
Straight
Leave
ahead.
her.
Yeah, straight ahead.
Alright. Take it easy. Relax.
There are lots of roads closed around here, so maybe that's the reason why.
That's it, sir. How many casualties, Sergeant? 16, sir. 16?
After 300 yards, turn left.
Disgusting.
Oh, come on, sir. They're a good bunch of guys. Just letting off a bit of steam.
But 16 casualties? You live peace with your bright ideas. Well, you don't have to blame me. Oh, really can be a rotten burger. Sergeant, sir! Sort out all the men fit enough to march on
Turn left.
Sir, all that way without water?
We must go on, not only to save Lady Jane, but to relieve the garrison. But what about the captain, sir? You won't be taking your peace.
I'm asking you a serious question, sir. What about the captain?
You fool! I mean, Peace will not be coming with us. I am sending him back to Citybel Abbas with the wounded. He will fetch reinforcements. Peace! Yes, Heck! I wish to see the men. Yes, Heck! Connor! Here is our objective. Fort Soissonneuve. And here is our present position.
Yay! Chop! 4, 1. Lay flag, lay flag, lay flag.
Sergeant! Hey there! Hey there! Bye! 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 Simpson, look! A well! A well! A well! Shut up! There's nothing there!
Well, there was, Sergeant. It's a well.
Mr. Bo's right, Sergeant. There was a well!
Of course there was a well. And your Jack and your Jill.
Where is it? Where did it go to?
Lucky there was nothing there. It's a mirage!
The mirage.
I don't believe it.
Look at that! Restaurant, bar, dancing. That's what I call a mirage. And that's been seen many times before. Come, we must go on!
I told you it was a mistake building right out here. Nobody ever stops.
sir? Is it a before or an after celebration? Before. It's to wish the chief an abundant harvest. It's called the Song of the Oaks. Oh no. Let's hurry before it's too late.
Thank you.
anything in Martello Tower if you wanted that.
Why don't you hold it fluid?
Did Nathan say something about Martello Tower?
Yeah.
So that was J Wick. Or is that a different one? Is that a different one?
There's several along the stretch of coast.
Right, okay.
One is that to J Wick. I can't remember which one's what. Reduce any slack anymore will be stopped.
Yeah. The garden centre.
Yeah.
You're not going.
That told you.
Obviously. I suppose if I saw a sex shop later on February, we're not going.
Yeah.
No, but not stopping in a sack shop either.
You have reached your destination.
Thank you very much indeed, sir. I'll see you in just a few moments, Commandant.
Give him a good go, Mo. Well, lady, even the sail is lovelier than ever. And I see you've been kept rather busy.
Isn't he adorable? Image of his mother.
Turn left, then you have reached your destination.